All right, subtract. Say 6x cubed plus 6x squared minus 8 minus parentheses negative 2x cubed plus x, see what I did? Minus 3. All right, who can tell me the next line and what I should write down? Go, Brendan.
6x cubed plus 6x squared minus 8, then plus 2x.
Right, minus is plus
2x cubed minus x
minus
plus
x
3.
plus 3. The reason this isn't so hard for you is you probably don't remember, but we did this in October. This was the whole unit on multiplying and adding exponents. It was a very ugly test.
It was.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I did these.
Anyway, we're going to be multiplying tomorrow. Adding's easy, multiplying's easy, but when you put them together, you get it all mixed up. For example, just off topic for a minute, x cubed plus x cubed is what?
X6.
9.
See?
X to the 9.
It's always a disaster.
You multiply the exponents.
Keep
Why would you
going.
multiply?
Add the
Wait,
exponents.
whoa, wait. Why would you multiply when you said add?
X to the 6.
You said add.
Braxton?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Hold on, wait. Whoa, wait. Wait a
Wait,
second.
that should be 2x.
You said add. You said add.
Yeah.
That's not adding.
Oh, yeah, it is. Let me put some numbers in for you and prove it to you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, you agree? All I did was change the x's to 5s. Okay, that's 125 plus 125, which is 2 times 125.
Yeah.
250 equals 250.
Yeah.
I'm lost.
Nothing else works.
Okay.
Okay, remember
So-
these x's are numbers, any number.
Oh.
Aren't they?
The only thing that's going to work is 2 of those. You guys that said x to the 9th, you're saying that 5 cubed plus 5 cubed is equal 5 times 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 5. My God, that's a huge number.
So that don't give you 2
Face is
No.
going red.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get confused.
Just 4 of them gives you 625.
Mm.
And there we're talking about 9 of them? All right, now, knuckleheads, what's this?
Oh, that's x to the
That's
9.
X9. That's 2x.
X6.
X to the
6.
Oh,
Bro,
I
you
know
really-
what
no, no,
it
no.
is.
You
Let's
lost
count
me.
them.
You really.
1, 2,
Oh, 'cause you got a
3,
plus on it, yeah.
4, 5, 6.
Okay.
I see 9.
So when you adding it, you just keep the exponent the same?
Yes, always. The degree never changes when you're adding.
Wait,
Why
so
I use the word degree.
it wouldn't.
I'm so
I gotta
lost
give
right
her a
now.
shield.
Like, it's not even funny.
So when you multiply it,
spitting.
that's when you can add it?
Magic. She spit on me.
But okay, put a number in front of 2x. Would it be the same? Or would
Here?
You, yeah.
In
Like
front of both of them or one of them?
both of them. Would that be 4x to the 6? Okay.
So
Anyway, so today's going to be simple. We're adding. Tomorrow's going to be simple. We're multiplying. But Monday we put them together.
you really lost me.
Okay,
It's hype.
I'm starting to remember this.
Can I solve that? I want to solve
All right. Next answer. Highest degree first. Rachel.
8x cubed.
8x cubed. She added that and that.
Okay.
Next.
5x squared.
No. I knew somebody's going to do that. You just added x squared to an x. Are the degrees the same?
No.
No. Keep the degrees the same when you're adding. That's why I taught you what a degree is.
Now I see what this whole first.
Yeah, it all comes together.
That first lesson was useless, but now I feel you.
Now, what's next?
Minus x.
Minus x.
Negative 5.
So the whole number always got to be last?
It's called the constant.
Yeah, the
And it
constant.
is always last.
Okay.
Because the degree of it is 0.
Okay.
It's in order of degrees.
Oh.
Now.
Okay.
Makes sense.
I get you.
All right.
like this.
Alright, you lost me
I
again.
know this.
What is perimeter?
When you
All
count
right.
the
The
outside.
outside.
All around.
It's like putting a fence around something. Okay? How do I get the perimeter of this?
Add all four sides.
One side, another side,
And then you do the same thing again.
or
Square it.
double. No,
No, double it. You know what I mean.
double it. Well, there's a difference. Let me show you. 5 squared is 25. Doubling 5 is 10. It's not the same thing.
Yo.
Okay. Oh, I can send that video to your daddy and let him hear you say blah, 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 blah.
I said yup.
Anyway, let's go ahead and do what's in the parentheses first. X plus X,
2x.
2X, negative 5, negative 3,
-2.
negative,
8.
and then you've got to keep the parentheses because we're not finished with them. And then double it because there are 4 sides, not 2.
So it's 4x.
4X minus 16. If you don't like that method,
Is this
you
the
can
reason-
just write X minus 5 plus X minus 3 plus X minus 5 plus X minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative, 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 negative.
I like that.
I like that one.
I like that.
That's fine, I don't care how you do it. If you don't want to use a distributed property for perimeter, you never have to. Now, what if I said the perimeter is 40? Find X.
Oh, you plug it in.
No, find X.
Oh.
You-
Perimeter is 40. What would you do?
You gotta
Divide
do
by
it.
4.
You have to put equal to 40.
Thank you.
I don't get it.
I said that's
job,
fine.
man.
Oh, yeah.
This plus this plus this plus this is 40.
Wait, then you solve for X.
Yeah. Which is not gonna come out right.
50.
Oh, yes, it is.
And then it goes
Yes, it
into.
is. I just said that.
No.
No, it doesn't.
What I say? Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can check it. I said the perimeter is 40. 11,
Yep, that's
9, 11, 9.
And then-
Perimeter, 40.
I
Okay.
get it now.
The reason I just went over this kind of problem, because this is the last problem on your homework tonight, and I didn't know how to do it.
Who's that song?
You know, here's what it really happens. You get your homework done in school and you have 2 or 3 left, and instead of trying them, you don't finish them, and then you tell me a lie that you couldn't do them.
That's a little bit of me every now and then. You know.
Yeah, I know. All right, on your back of your homework last night. Back of your homework. Tomorrow we're having a check for understanding on adding only.
Oh, man.
On adding what?
We've been adding for days. Big quiz next week. I don't know
Wait,
what day.
you're talking about that?
Wait, but Miss Stoner.
Oh, we're not going to have a mini quiz. We're just going to have check for understandings. We're going to have a test next Friday.
Wait, but that's a half day. How are we gonna get the test done in
You
20
can't get a
minutes?
test done.
Cause
On a
isn't
half
mid-
day.
Isn't mid-
We make it shorter.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. then.
But then that
So
means
it's a
the points are
quiz.
worth more.
Yeah, it's a quiz.
Or
It's
the
worth
thing, or the
test.
points are worth more, which
Wait, why you gotta put?
Which
Why you
is
gotta
hard.
put that?
Man, make it long.
I like to do you dirty.
I think you just like
Oh
doing
my.
that J dirty.
She can send that video to
Find
She got some real
the
hate
perimeter.
for Friday, so it just make it like
So
Yeah, I
check
think
for
she-
understanding work and please.
He just picked it up.
you said find the perimeter.
20 points.
What's 20 points?
Check for understandings.
They
And
are.
if I make it 1 question, it's only 10.
They
I
are.
don't like that.
Oh, make it 2, please.
Make it 2.
Could you please do this problem? You see how they whine?
Right?
I live with that.
Make it 1.
Those.
No,
Elephant talking to the camera for help.
Those are keys.
Miss Stoner, could we solve each individual one and then add them all up? Or does that not work?
You can only solve equations. I don't see any.
Yeah, man.
There are no equations here. What do you mean solve
Nothing.
2x squared plus 5? How do you solve that?
Don't worry about it.
There's no like terms.
There's no like terms.
He just wants to solve negative 2x squared plus 5. What is that?
Because look at this equation.
What does that even mean?
Look at that.
An equation has an equal sign with something
Oh,
on
look
the
at-
other side.
Look at this.
What about it?
It's so long. I'm gonna leave
Yeah, that
stuff
is.
out.
This is kind of long, you know.
Can you
Oh, it
come
doesn't
check
have to
mine?
be.
Can you come check mine?
No,
Why not?
because I don't know the answer.
Okay.
You know the camera can't see you.
Alright.
I don't know
Good.
the answer.
Are you ready?
Whew, that's kind of long, you know.
No.
I'm gonna do it a shorter way, because
I can solve it.
I have common sense.
I do too.
I bet you.
You're gonna use
When I
this-
want to.
the squared way, but bound
No,
No, I'm not
It's not
squaring
squared, it's
anything.
multiplied by 2.
Yeah.
Same thing.
That's what I
You
did.
catching my drift. It's
I forgot how the multiply by 2 thing works, so, you know.
I want to touch you.
I'm gonna get a piece of love song.
For those of you that don't have common sense, you probably are doing this.
Oh, come on. Oh, I did it. Okay.
Which way you
That's
go? You did it
drag.
the
I did the long
That
way
is
just
drag.
because it was easier.
I'm not doing that.
It's easier
It's the
though.
same thing.
Okay, do it any way you want to.
You can do it in your head. You actually don't even need to
I'm
write
going to add this and this, and I get x squared. Why not?
You said you're adding to that?
I know
Yeah,
yeah. Yeah, no, keep going.
Wait a minute, we're not done.
Oh.
How did you get 5 anyway?
Yeah, why?
Negative 2 and 3.
You added.
Cause like,
I
I
got
just
it.
the whole 3.
Now I'm going to
Oh,
add
you gotta flip the
this
sign.
to nothing, because there aren't any.
Plus x.
And then I'm going to add
Which is-
negative 7 and 5, and I
Negative
get
2.
negative 2, and then I'm going to double it.
I got it.
Oh. Wait, I got it right. Keep going.
Oh,
Come on. I got that so wrong.
I got it right.
I got it right.
Alright, I know what I'm doing.
Now you can get that answer doing that. You get the same answer.
Wait, I got a question.
I did it in my head.
Can you do it that way for all of them?
For perimeter,
Yeah.
sure.
Can you? Okay, bet.
But here's where you don't want to do it. What if I give you an octagon,
Yeah, see, no.
Hold up.
which is 8-sided,
You better-
and I say one side is x squared minus 3? Do you really want to put x squared minus 3 plus x squared minus 3 plus x
Well, that's
8
just
times
wrong.
if I say they're all the same?
So how would you
No, 8 times x squared minus 3.
do? That's it.
That's just
Yeah, 8x squared minus 24, and you're done.
See, it's even
So
hard
use some common
drawing.
sense. If the same thing is there twice, why not double it? Another way you could have done this is put 2 in front of it, and put 2 in front of it,
In plus.
get those 2 answers, and then add them together. You can do perimeter any way you want to. Just get the right answer.
Well, actually, I suck at perimeter.
All right? Make sure if I write something in words like subtract negative 3x squared plus 2x minus 8 and 4x squared plus 2x minus 9.
Is that when you use parentheses?
If I tell you, that's when you use parentheses. You know, you can always use parentheses, and then you'll never mess up.
That's what I did.
Okay, so then I would have this problem minus,
All your signs.
Does it
Okay,
matter which
do
one
it.
comes first?
do it. Yes, it matters. Whatever I write first goes first. Because subtraction is not commutative, order matters.
Alright.
And then I'll give you one hard one and we'll be done.
Why?
Why? What?
Hard one.
Because it's on your homework.
Of course.
How many homework problems are there?
Yeah, you made it sound like this a long one. Is it long? That was a serious question.
This stuff is already. This
I think I
stuff.
teach junior high sometimes.
This
No,
stuff
I'm
is
just
already a
saying.
lot of writing, let alone a lot of homework problems. You feel me?
Nah, I'm not. Shoot, I don't care. I got study hall.
Wait till you get to chapter 9 where one question takes a page.
Not with my handwriting.
What?
Maybe half a
What?
page.
I'd take 2 pages with my handwriting.
Oh, dang it. I forget where.
Tomorrow I'll tell you what the quadratic formula is and you can start thinking about it.
I already know it.
You do?
No.
Negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2.
I should. I
that's
learned that
a
a
lot.
while ago. I
Wait.
feel like
What'd you say?
Someone-
We did.
my dad taught me or something. Someone taught me.
My dad doesn't even remember the problems I be showing him. And he get mad.
What do you got, like, dimensions?
I don't remember.
Why you always do that hard accent?
You can always call Rose Hummon, you know.
Huh?
Rose Hummon.
Who's Rose Holman?
1-800-ASK-ROSE on your
Oh.
phone.
What?
Why are you typing
It's a
that?
bunch of engineers that volunteer their time to answer kids' math questions in Indiana.
Can I ask him right now?
You can ask them anything
Can I
you
call him
want.
during a test?
And they know like right off the bat.
You can if your teacher lets you.
Wait, and they do it like right off the
This
bat.
is a no phone zone, my God.
Yeah, they're engineers. They know.
Can they FaceTime?
This is like 2 + 3 to them.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
Can they FaceTime?
So they like those brainiacs?
I need the FaceTime.
That's what I want to be.
Tell me what to write
An
first.
engineer.
What are you gonna put?
It might not be building, but well, it's like an architect.
I feel like
That's what I
So
want.
you'd be designing.
No
Designing.
parentheses. Let's get rid of them.
4x squared plus 2x.
But don't you kind of know how to draw for that?
Yeah. I'm taking a drawing class. I am taking a drawing class.
Minus 2x
Plus 9.
plus 9.
Well, my answer is the same, but it's.
All right, now you want to
Okay,
add.
what are we adding first?
My uncle's an
3
architect
like
in
terms,
Dubai.
so that,
with my
and
own
then
phone.
negative 4x.
So
So what is that?
I got negative 7x with this. And I got plus x, but really.
oh, that was combined.
It's gone.
Oh, that's combined.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I got
And
that.
then I got plus 1, so that's.
Bam.
Oh my god!
This is easier than the thing we did yesterday,
Oh.
Miss
Okay,
Donner.
give me the hard one.
Okay,
Give me the hardest one possible.
Don't do that.
Oh, I did.
Oh,
My man's been.
I want you to find the perimeter. Now notice we have 2
give me
variables.
the area. Give me the area.
Put that camera on that. Okay, find the perimeter. Whoever is watching this, write it down because we're taking the camera off now. Pause if you need to. Put it back.
How they gonna know the answer?
I'm going to do it right now.
Oh.
But I want you to try it because this is on your homework. I have A and B, I think.
3xy?
Dude, this is.
I got this, I think.
You can do it.
No, I can't.
The degrees have to be the same in order to add them.
Yeah, but you should.
And I'll do it the long way.
should
I'll write all 4 sides out.
Wait, don't do it yet.
Mr. Stoner, I'm done.
I'm just writing it down.
Okay,
See,
Ben.
he's done.
Okay, good for you. No
I
one
was
cares.
talking.
God.
Okay, I'm done.
Alphabetical order, right? Yep. No, highest degree first. I know that. So then that makes that one go first.
I didn't even
Wait,
show my
no, all
work.
you do is shit.
Oh, great. We're going to send that to Dad.
I hurt my elbow.
Should I rate this one PG-13?
I hit my elbow. It hurt so bad.
I can't believe you did that on my camera.
I forgot it was on.
I would be dead if I was watching this.
Oh. It's
Daddy
my-
needs to have the link today.
it's my funny bone.
It's not so funny, is it?
Why do they call it? Why do they call it that?
Because of feeling
It ain't funny though.
Yeah, it's like that
Duh.
tingly feeling.
Yeah,
We
it's
don't
like
want another word today, please.
can't feel your fingers.
Are you finished?
I was almost done.
We started, you want to erase that original one?
We can edit, right?
Oh, never mind. That is the new one.
Why'd you write that out?
What can I write first? I'm taking the highest degree first.
Would that be walk?
It's got a degree of 2.
Oh. I probably got the question right, but I did that wrong.
I most definitely got it wrong.
I got the.
That's how many XYs you should have.
Yup. That's what I got.
And then alphabet. X before Y.
So then
Somebody asked me last period, does X come before Y in the alphabet?
That's the most.
Oh boy!
LMNOP.
Negative 12
Oh, little P.
and 10 is negative 2.
Oh, okay.
Wait, what did you do? Oh, never mind.
Then I'm putting together my Y's.
So then.
1, 2, and negative 6. Anybody?
I got that right, but I didn't put the degrees in the
Oh,
right
wait. Mr. Stoner.
You'll get better and better at this because we're going to do this for months.
Will we get like
Start-
faster at it?
Oh, you put it.
Shouldn't
You
you
may
put
turn that off. What? Wait, ask the question. Oh, well.
Shouldn't
Do
you
it.
put the negative 6y after it goes negative 2x, negative 4y, and then negative 6xy?
No, it's
This has a
degrees.
degree of 2.
Oh, okay.
Degree first, alphabet second.
I got that.